Love is not always about grand gestures or perfect moments. Sometimes it lives quietly in the smallest things we do for someone. It is in the way your heart feels lighter when you see their name on your phone, or how a simple smile from them can change your entire day. Love is patient, yet powerful. It teaches us to understand without words and to stay even when things are not easy. In a world where everything moves so fast, love is the one feeling that asks us to slow down and truly feel. There was once a boy who never believed in love. To him, it was just a word people used in movies and stories. He thought real life was about goals, success, and being strong without depending on anyone. But one day, he met someone who didn't try to change him, didn't force anything, and didn't demand attention. She simply cared. At first, he didn't notice it much, but slowly her presence became a part of his routine. He found himself smiling for no reason, waiting for conversations, and feeling a strange happiness he had never felt before. What made it different was not how perfect things were, but how real they felt. They had misunderstandings, they had days when they didn't talk much, but even then, there was a silent connection that never broke. He realized that love is not about always being happy, it's about choosing someone even on the difficult days. It's about respect, trust, and the comfort of knowing that someone truly understands you. As time passed, the boy changed, not because he was forced to, but because love naturally made him better. He became more patient, more thoughtful, and more aware of the feelings of others. He started to understand that love is not a weakness, it is actually one of the strongest emotions a person can feel. It gives you the courage to face problems, the strength to forgive, and the ability to grow beyond your fears.